everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making something really quick and yummy, some hot chocolate sauce pudding. So let's start making it. First of all, just grease your baking dish. Okay, that's done. Set it to one side. Now for the mixing, rather for the creaming. So you want some butter going into a bowl and some sugar, and then you just want to cream this together. Time to add in the egg. Add in your egg. There it goes. You're gonna just beat this together for a couple of minutes. Now sieve in your flour. And then sieve in your cocoa powder. Mix this all together. We're just going to add in the milk slowly and we're just going to whisk this. Okay. It can get quite dusty, but it's all chocolatey goodness. Look at that, that is great. Then I'm going to add in some more of the milk. Then I'm just going to add in the rest of the milk. In it goes. There we go. And then now just mix this together. I might just get in there with my spoon real quick. Make sure there's no flour. Our cocoa powder stuck to the side. And that's just almost done. I'm just going to give it a quick mixing and that should be ready to go in our baking dish. And that's done. And oh my goodness, it just looks so yummy and it smells so delicious. I can't wait for it to bake so that I can have some of this yummy hot chocolate sauce pudding. I do love making things with chocolate, it's just so yum. Just make sure that it's spread evenly in the dish. So you just want to dissolve your sugar and cocoa powder in the hot water. Add it in using the back of a spoon. Okay. You have to be careful doing this. So now I'm going to put this in the oven to bake for about 30 minutes. Our hot chocolate sauce pudding is done and it smells so delicious and it looks so yummy. You can see the hot chocolate sauce around the pudding and I can't wait to tuck into that. It's going to be oh so yummy and it's going to be even better with some custard. You can also dust some icing sugar on your hot chocolate sauce pudding. Just going to put that piece in my plate. Let's get it out of there. Oh wow, nice. Wow, that looks amazing. As a custard just drizzles over our chocolate pudding and all those wonderful flavors are gonna melt together. Just a little bit more because I love some custard. Here we go. Hot chocolate sauce pudding and custard looks so decadent. It looks so yummy. My goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so amazing. It is incredible. Like, it's so decadent and so yummy. I've like nearly finished all of it. It is so good.